Don't think, just feel. Yeah. I know that everything is just in its right place for you and for me, right now and always. Yeah. Everything what is for you will come in your life. Yeah, it will come. Trust, surrender, and I know that everything will continue to fall into place. And I'm so deep in trust right now and in this. What about you? Yeah? And you know, nothing needs to be done. Nothing needs to be done anymore. There's nothing to do right now. The universe is already doing, and everything is falling into place. It's working inside you. If it's working inside other people, it's working in the universe. We don't need to control anything either, or think much. We just need to feel and make decisions, on a daily basis for what we want to have and create in life, and for what we want to feel and live also daily, like love, happiness, fulfillment, abundance, freedom, peace, health. What is it for you? What is it for you? And I also have to definitely stop myself, or even need to get stopped sometimes by my loved ones, to stop overanalyzing. I can fall into this easily with my Virgo ascendant and placements, but I also do love this side of me, of course, because it's a deep, can help for deep reflection purpose and to understand things better and make peace faster and easier if I understand it all and can analyze it all. But anyway, sometimes we definitely can get lost in this, and it's also sometimes definitely more than enough to just feel and breathe. And in the end we already know the answer. Our body knows what it wants, and what to do and what not to do. So in the end we already know it right away, always. If we listen to our body. So definitely check in with your body always, and stay true to yourself and also to your boundaries you bring in, and they can bring you into your power if you can lift them and stand behind them. If you don't cross your own boundaries, if you respect your own boundaries, no one else can cross them, and everyone will respect them if you also don't cross them, right? It's really like that what I've experienced so far. But that's another topic. So for now, just be, relax, and be, and in being, and trusting in yourself and in life, everything will unfold. Things will be put right into place, so that you can experience life to the fullest as you want it. And the only thing we allowed to do then is to experience that, to enjoy that. This movie of life with us in the main role of our own life in this movie. And it's so crazy because I had exactly this idea and fantasies and images and questions my whole life, and especially when I was a small little child. It's crazy, I can remember that really well, and that's exactly how I felt. And anyways, people in the outside couldn't understand me. They were so different from me, and no one understood me. However, in the end, it's about enjoying this movie, this life, understanding that, getting the awareness about it. That's what I'm here for, to give you the awareness, the reminders, the inspiration, and to understand that there is really no right or wrong, and that every choice is the right choice, because it's your path, and the path you need to walk. That's why there's no right or wrong. It's all right. We need to walk this path to heal, to grow, to even get to know ourselves and what we want and so on. And so what if when everything actually goes exactly how it's planned, then there is no need to worry, right? And everything goes exactly how it's planned. So learn to surrender to the unknown and letting it all happen. And learn to really following your feelings, following your callings, following especially your highest excitement, and act on that. Act on your highest excitements. Follow your soul and let everything happen that your soul wants to experience. With no regret. And I'm curious myself about everything that will come in this lifetime for me. And this is just, I don't even have words for it. But let this be your inspiration, let this be your reminder, and follow for more. Feel free to contact me anytime. If you have any questions or want to work with me, reach out and please share this message with everyone else out there. Lots of love.